Here are my 3 top tips for creating an anti-hero. The anti-hero is someone you expect to be a villain, but is really a hero. So when creating them, you can use designs that look like they should be on a villain. You can then reveal that this supposed villain actually wants to do good, and this journey can be your story. When your baddie turns good, you can redesign their costume or change their expressions as they embrace their good side.